Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the EasyGIF animator. First, let's define the EasyGIF animator. EasyGIF animator is the world's most popular animated GIF editor and the top tool for creating animated pictures, banners, and buttons. With this awesome application, you can produce stunning animation effects, achieve unmatched image quality and compression, and prepare your image for the web. No other GIF animator software matches our features and ease of use. That's why EasyGIF animator is so popular. First, let's open the EasyGIF animator software. So now, here are the three tasks that I would like to discuss. First, create animation from scratch. Second, creating and editing animation. Third, using advanced tool. So let's begin now the first task, which is create animation from scratch. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to draw your own animated GIF images. Step 1. On the File tab, click Create New Animations. If Animation Wizard appeared, click Cancel to close it. Step 2. Add new blank frame. On the Frames tab, insert blank frame. You can also use corresponding toolbar button. Next, set frame width and height to 100 and click OK. So, step 3, draw red circle. Set background color to red. Click on the lower right color rectangle to change current background color. Click the red, click OK. Next, select ellipse tool. Click on the ellipse tool button. Next, select fill style. Use fill style combo box. Next step, draw a circle. Drag your mouse over the image to draw a circle. Step 4, duplicate frame. On the Frame tab, click Duplicate Frame. You can also use corresponding toolbar button. This will duplicate the frame containing red circle. Step 5. Paint the second circle green. Make sure the second frame is selected in the frame thumbnail list. The next, set foreground color to green. Click on the upper left color rectangle to change current foreground color. Then set to green, then click OK. Next, fill circle with green color. Click on the fill tool button and then click directly inside the circle. Click the fill button and then click on the red circle. Step 6. Review your result. Your animation is ready. You can click on the preview tab to view your animation. So that's the first task. So if you will stop, click stop, play animation. So let's go now to the second task, which is creating and editing animation. Okay, so now let's go to the second task, which is creating and editing animation. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and animate your image. So let's begin. Step 1, on the File tab, click Create New Animation again. If Animation Wizard appeared, click Add Image. Then, select the image you want. Example here. Once you see your image on the Add Image, click Next. Then, next step, on the Loop and Delay, click Yes. Play the animation infinitely. Then, set the time on how the frame will be displayed into 50, that is equivalent to 0.5 seconds. After that, click Next. On the image position, select Center the frame. Once done, click Next. Then, Finish. Go to Edit. As you can see, the image is bigger in size. So, next step, go to the Edit tool and click the Zoom out to get the image perfectly. Right there. So next step, so let's go to the Home tab, then click the transition effect. This will become the image animated. So in the transition effect, so you will see the start with, the preview, the end with. So on the select the effect, click zoom, then you can set the effect speed, then the effect smooth length. After that, check the zoom scale, then check the zoom old frame, so that the old frame will be going out. After that, click OK. So you will have now the animated frame here. So if you want to put text, just go to Home tab and click the animated text. So as you can see, there is an enter text here. So write the text you want. For example, hi there. So there you go. So you will see the animated text. So if you want animated, just go to how to appear. For example, slide in. So as you can see, the text sliding in. Then set how long to show. Example, if you want 1 second, then 1 second it will be appear. Then how to hide. So on how to appear slide in and how to hide slide out. So right there. So you can change the text position. If you want, just click it. For example, you want the text here, down. If you can click, if you want center, then click center here. But I want it down. So if you're done, click OK. So as you can see, the image or the animated text is down, slide in, and slide out. Once you're done, click OK. So next step, review your result. So just go to preview, then play it. So we're done on the task 2, which is creating and editing your own image. So let's now go to the third task, which is using advanced tool. So we are now on the last task, which is using advanced tool. So in this tutorial, in the last task, you will learn how to get an GIF animated on the video you want. So let's start. On the home tab, just click create from video. So select the video you want. Choose the video only which is small size. For example, here Ariana. So let's begin. Open. As you can see, there must be selected the video fragment to convert GIF animation. So in this section, you can select which fragment do you want to make it a GIF. For example, I want it here. Here. So for example, then check also the reduce frame rate, then set how many times it will animate. So I put 5 times. Once you're done, click OK. There you go. So as you can see, 26 frames on the video you're selected. So that will become no video again. So if you want to come JF, go to properties animation, then click repeat forever. So once you're done, click preview. You can also just create transition effect and animated text, but in this tutorial I will also just creating animated image from video file. So next step, review your result. So there you go. So the video will be animated. So it's done. So next you can also create animation image using two pictures. So let's start. So let's delete this first. So on the frame tab, click insert image. Select the image you want. Example here. So we want animate two pictures, so click again insert image. Choose the image you want. Example here. So there are two now frames with different photos. So click again the animation properties, click repeat forever. So next, review your result. So click preview, then click play. There you go. Two image become animated. So thank you for listening. I'm Marvin Joe Villamor, BIS IT 3A.